Good morning, dear students. Students, today we will do lesson 12, our festivals. Students, in my earlier video, I have told you about religious festival. Today we will discuss harvest festivals and national festivals. So, students, harvest festivals are the festivals which are celebrated to mark the change in season, and these are celebrated during the changing seasons. And during this time, when the farmer gather their crop from the field, these festivals are celebrated in the coming of the crops to their homes. So in this regard, I will tell you about different harvest festivals. So first of all, I will tell you about Holi. So student, Holi is a spring festival. It is a festival of colors, and it is a festival of love also. Student, Holi is religious festivals also. So many stories, so many facts they are related with the Holi. So Holi is celebration start on the night before Holi. With Holi, on Holi, Holika bonfire takes place. Around it, people gather, sing, and dance. Next day, there is the carnival of colors. The children, they play with the colors. Everybody apply color, the dry powder gulal on each other face, and the children, they sprinkle colored water with their water guns. Also they filled water balloons with the colored water for their water fight. Student, this is the harvest festival of Hindus. It marks the end of winter and beginning of the summer season. It is the occasion of harvesting of the crop, wheat, barley, and gram. Harvesting means gathering the crops after cutting. On Holi, people greet each other, they greet their friends and relatives, and they eat the sweet dish called gujia. So, student, this is all about Holi. Here you can see the children are enjoying with colors, and they are playing with their water guns, they are spraying water on each other, and they are chasing each other with their balloons also. Now, our next harvest festival is Baisakhi. Baisakhi is also known as Vaisakhi, and it is the main harvest festival of Punjab. It is celebrated on 13th and 14th April of each year, and the Sikh people, they mark the new year from Baisakhi. This is the festival of joy and happiness. People perform bhangra on this day. Fairs are held at many places. Now we come to our next harvest festival, that is Pongal. Students, Pongal is one of the most popular harvest festival of South India, mainly Tamil Nadu. This festival also marks the harvest of crops and thanks giving to the god, the sun, the earth, and the cattle. Students, they thanks all these because they think that it is the sun due to which their crop ripe, and it is the earth in which they sow the seeds, and from that the crop it become ripe and it is harvested. And cattle, they also thank the cattle. Why? Because these are the cows and the bullocks whose dung they used in the field, which enrich the minerals in the soil, and their crop become healthy. And also to the bullocks, because they help in plowing of the field. Nowadays we are using tractors, but at some places where the people do not have tractors or any equipment or machines, there the plowing still done with the help of bullocks. So the people, they celebrate this festival for 4 days. On the first day they worship the god sun, next day the earth, next day the cattle. In this way they celebrate this festival for 4 days. On the Pongal festival, they make meetha bhat, means Pongal meetha rice, and first of all it is served to the cow. They decorate their cows with the bells, and they apply tika on its forehead, and they apply colors on its foot, hoofs, and on its head. Student, this festival is also, you can see here the people, they are feeding the cow first of all, and after feeding the cow they eat this pongal, this meetha bhat, and they celebrate, they dance together. This festival is also celebrated in the same way in all parts of India, like Makar Sankranti in North India, Lodi in Punjab, and Bhogi in Andhra Pradesh, and Bhogli Bihu in Assam. Next festival that I am telling you, that is the Onam. So student, first of all I want to tell you this Onam festival is the festival of Kerala, and it is celebrated in the month of August and September. This festival is celebrated to mark the homecoming of King Mahabali, who ruled Kerala in ancient time. Onam celebrations, these takes place for 10 days. People wear new clothes and they decorate their houses and put flower carpet called pukulam in front of their houses. During 10 days, people do prayers and serve 21 types of homemade curries, and they are served on the banana leaf. Boat racing is also an important event of this festival. The long boats, a number of people ride in it and they sail it collectively, and in this way boat racing takes place. So these are the special features of this festival. So people celebrate it with great joy and happiness for 10 days. Next harvest festival is Bihu festival. Bihu is the biggest festival of Assam. It is celebrated 3 times a year. Bohag, it is celebrated in mid of April. Magh Bihu, it is celebrated in mid-January. And Kati Bihu, it is celebrated in mid of October. So these 3 are connected with the 3 different seasons. So we can say this Bohag is related with the spring season, Magh Bihu is related with the winter season, and Kati Bihu is related with autumn season. Bihu is the most popular dance form of Assam. It is performed by young boys and girls, and it is celebrated to mark the harvesting festival. Now we come to our next type of festivals, national festivals. The third type of festival. Students, beside religious festival and harvest festivals in India, people celebrate some festivals together. They are called national festivals. So national festival is observed by school, offices, colleges, etc. on a national festival. India celebrates mainly 3 national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. So first of all, I will tell you about Independence Day. Student, Independence Day normally it is celebrated on 15 August, and we have a national holiday on this day. So to celebrate this Independence Day, what do we do? Our Prime Minister hosts the Tiranga at Red Fort every year, and the schools also celebrate this day with great joy and happiness, and very proud. We celebrate this day because on this day we get freedom from British Empire. Here you can see our Prime Minister. He has hosted the national flag and he is saluting the 3 army. Next national festival that I am going to discuss is Happy Republic Day, the Republic Day. Why do we when do we celebrate it? We celebrate it on 26 January. So on 26 January 1950, our constitution was made. So on this day, to honor this date, we celebrate this day every year. On this day, our president hosts the flag at India Gate, and the parade it also held on India Gate. The school children, the scout guides, the army, the police, the 3 march of army, navy, and Army Navy, they participate in this parade, in this march. And the aeroplanes and the rockets, they also show their talents in the sky. Next national festival that I am going to discuss is Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as Father of Nation. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. These festivals are celebrated with great joy and promote patriotism. So students, he is also known as Mahatma, and people lovingly say him Babu Ji. In the schools, 2nd October is celebrated with great joy. So many cultural programs they are held on this day throughout the country to pay homage to give tribute to the Mahatma Gandhi. So student, with this I end up my video. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.